Hello everyone, welcome to Unknown Facts. So students, in this video we will solve week assignment number 7 of the course Housing Policy and Planning. So this week consists of in total of 7 number of questions, and we will start it from question number 1. So question number 1 is, which of the following is a demerit of the off-site model of slum improvement? Options are better control over implementation, livelihood is provided, distance from the work location, does not require temporary rehabilitation. Okay, so the appropriate answer for this question will be option number C, that is distance from the work location. Moving to the next one, identify the incorrect feature of the near site model of slum improvement. Options are less disruption of existing work location, additional land requirement, transit shelters, redensification and redevelopment. So here the answer will be transit shelters, that is option number C. Question number 3 is, DUSIB, a government body associated with the management of night shelters along with NGOs. The term DUSIB stands for. Options are Delhi Urban Shelter Intervention Board, Delhi Urban Shelter Implementation Board, Delhi Urban Shelter Improvement Board, and Delhi Urban Shelter Integration Board. So the answer will be Improvement Board. Okay, that is option number C, Delhi Urban Shelter Improvement Board. Question number 4 is, site and services scheme does not provide a land or site, building for the house, basic services like sanitation, none of the above. So the answer will be option number B, that is building for the house. Okay. Question number 5 is, identify the incorrect option related to slum redevelopment. So option A is resettled in near sites. Option B is demolition of existing structures. Option C is densification of better viability. And option D is land sharing for ensuring tenure. So the answer will be option number D, that is land sharing for ensuring tenure. Question number 6 is, identify the correct combination of settlement and its attribute. So options are urban village, owned land, squatters, permanent stay, pavement dwellers, tenure security, slums, better services. So the answer will be urban village, owned land. Okay, that is option number A. For question number 6, option A will be the correct answer. Last question is, identify correct combination of housing types and its attribute. So the given options as disaster resistant housing, retrofitting, night shelters, facilitates for only night stay, service apartments, short duration stay, paying guests, common facilities. So the answer will be option number B, that is night shelters, facilities for only night stay. So we have solved all the questions. Let's submit it. So viewers, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it, like the video if it helps you to score good marks in the assignment, and please share the video with needy ones. Okay, thank you.